Hi friends, I am currently in Aruba. It's such a nice place. If you ever get the chance to visit the Caribbean, make sure to visit Aruba. It's my third time here. I just love it. It's great. The water is crystal clear. Of course, I felt super guilty leaving Kurt and Gunther behind, but Butter's parents, they take care of them right now. But yeah, I was thinking maybe we can go to the beach and find them maybe a shell or two that they can sniff on. I hope it preserves the smell, so let's go. It's currently morning. It's like 10:30, 11. Look at the water. Anyways, I found one. And let me see if I can find this one. So I couldn't find another nice one. But I found like this piece of another shell. That's cute. This looks more like Gunther. And this looks more like Kuti. So let's see next time this camera is running is when you see my voice again. Hello, hello. I see you hiding. Doesn't smell that bad. Hi, Kuti. I see you. Doesn't smell as bad as last time. Hi, Kuti. Hello, hello. Hi. My sweet Kuti boy. Hi, Gazzy. Oh, my Kuti. Hi. It's been a while, huh? Yum, yum. Oi, 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 oi. Let's say thank you to Butter's parents. Oi, 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 I missed you, yes. 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 Cathy. Yes, my sweet Cathy boy. Yes. I'm back. Oi. Are you gonna clean up and then it's sleepy time? Did you have a good time? Did you play a lot? No, I didn't. Oi, oi, oi. I see there's some cleanup to do. Say bye. Cody still can't believe his iron. Look who came out. Casey. Casey, hi. Hi, Casey. I'm back. Oi, Casey's so shy. But Cody, she's all over the moon. He's over the moon. Oh, I'm back. Casey. Casey. Hi, Casey. You want to see a little surprise? As promised, I brought them some shells. These are the ones that I found. This is actually a really nice one that I found. Gotta put that somewhere nice. But this is the piece of a bigger shell that I brought from a second. See? You want to smell the peach? Yum yum. Yesterday I let them sniff my bathing suit and they were crazy about it because it smelled like the ocean. This is yours, Cody. You can also have it, Cody. Yes. There was a little fish in there. Huh? Wee. This is for you. This is from a bigger shell. Because you're the big boy. Let's see if they can. Yeah. Yes, it's from the ocean. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. I also brought you something else. I brought you a souvenir. Of course, this is more important now, no? Okay. I also brought them as a cute little souvenir. Oi. For your treats. It's for your treats. You like it, Kenty? Quentin, you like it? Yes? Oh, I would have loved to take you with me. Yes, I missed you. Just be careful. Isn't it nice? You can also hang it. It's like from some artist or something in the Netherlands, because Aruba belongs to the Netherlands. Yes, this is where your treats go from now on. Yes, this is your little plate. That's it. I'm back in rainy New York. Already missed the beach. Yes. But I missed you too. I missed you too. They were so happy to see me. Yes. Yes, now you have some shelter. You can push underneath the fridge again. Yes? Yes. Good job. Pew. Say bye. I missed you. Wait. You can't see he's transporting it already. But don't eat it. I miss you. I love you.